Hello guys, welcome back dito sa ating tutorial series. Ito po si Tips TV magbabalik. Ngayon po sa ating tutorial video, ang isi-share ko po sa inyo ay ang paggawa ng particle intro. Kung kayo po ay bago lang dito sa aking channel, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe para masubaybayan nyo po yung mga susunod nating gagawin dito sa ating video tutorial series. Ngayon po, ang gagawin po natin ngayon sa video ito ay kung paano gumawa ng particle intro. I-share ko po sa inyo. So let's go!
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading